Okay, get that zoolyfe shit, look, every day, same shit, look, Montana, they hate a nigga gangsta, and they mad cause the bitches love them. They tryna thug them. Same niggas with me, bet they thuggin'. Molly duck, straight muggin'. Hit the club, niggas better not say nothing. Got perk, got Molly, got pills. This shit here for real in my city. Niggas do anything for a bill. Talking shot was out your ass, boy, you better chill. One time for my old school, nigga drank a bill, chuck a deuce when a nigga ride through. My nigga say, where the hoes that I gave him two. I'm tryna buy that Benz, but I'm 50 grand shop, so you know what I'ma do. I'ma get off my ass and cop two. Put that baby in that coupe, make them haters say, damn, that was cute. You can't do nothing but love them. You can't do nothing but love them. Man, I don't know what's wrong with it. Look, okay. Look, Montana, third. Look, zoolyfe. Look.
Hey, for real though, this shit made a nigga steal though, and I just fucked up but still told. I had to kick a nigga in the ass. They wanna make it all about cash, now they ass in the body bag. Take it with you, slick talking about a nigga but wanna take a picture. Talking Instagram, police shit. Look, slide with all that creep shit, leave you on the street lit. TV on my fitted stamp a Tupac bite. Hit Vegas off the chain, rocking all my ice. Tattoos on me, rapping all my stripes. Been up, been down, nigga, all my life. Nigga plain now time, see my dog got life. Now I'm smoking on some shit that might take my life. Nigga drape your life, so you dead ass wrong. Strip ass niggas always on a nigga pole, let go. Come on, man.
Zoolyfe. Okay, okay. Look, look. Every round is so even of the show. Look, okay. Look. Lately I been going through some things, niggas shoot shit in the bite for the fame. Own family acting like a bitch. It ain't no love in this shit, you get the same treatment they get. You talk shit, you get your shit split. Nigga, I ain't on that funny shit. Your whole team on that bummy shit. I make music for the bitches just to vibe with me. I got some gangsters that'll ride with me. Maybe 2 or 3. My little homie switch sides on me. Money muscle with the shit and I ain't lying, homie. You ain't shit without your team and I'm just being honest. So I'ma stay in my own lane. Whole niggas wearing G-string. I make music, it's a gang bang. Every day it's the same thing. I asked the Lord, can he remove all the pain of my life? I live that young, wild and free. That's that zoolyfe shit, you feel me? Stupid. Look. Zoolyfe. Montana. Look, look, look. Songs will come. If it's over, so it won't over show.